Shani for shot?
Shani, yeah.
Alright. Welcome to the What You Think podcast. You don't know, I'm your host Manny, otherwise known as Shams. I'm there with my co-host Shani.
Hey guys.
Go on.
There, man.
Alright, so Shani is a basketball player in Jamaica, and it is very rare for females to play basketball. Most females play netball. So, Shani, how did you even get interested in basketball?
So basically, like during the corona time, you always have your phone and thing.
Yeah.
So being on TikTok and so basketball players like Steph Curry, and then you're seeing videos with Kobe, and they kind of inspired me to just take up a ball and start dribble, and just buy a ball one day, start dribble. The next thing you know, my school just introduced the basketball thing. I told me in a grade 10, and I just start playing.
Alright, so which school was this?
St. Hughes High.
St. Hughes, okay. Alright, so your first day taking up the basketball, how was it?
Very embarrassing, very embarrassing. Very embarrassing.
You say never know nothing?
Never know nothing, can't even dribble.
So you used to play netball before?
Yeah.
Okay. So you kind of used to shooting then, it was like the dribbling part that you get a feel of that. Alright, so after you conquered the dribbling and the shooting and stuff, what you realized you was good at? Because some people better at like layups or some people better at shooting. What's your specialty?
I like to stay outside the 3-point line and just shoot all day.
Wow, so you're a Curry for real then?
Yeah, man.
A Curry them call you at school?
Wanna be Curry.
For real, I see one of your highlight them on your post and it was a fire shot for real. See? So, what's your coach name?
I'm calling him Chucky, but real name is Nicarlo.
Yeah. Alright, so you guys entered any tournaments or play against any other school yet?
Yeah, have a game tomorrow, but it was cancelled.
Yeah.
For school purposes, no idea. But otherwise, something that we played childhood, Queens, etc. so far.
Okay, and you won any other games?
We won against Stats. What's the name again? Vauxhall.
Okay. Yeah.
So 4 for 2 in the season.
You remember how many points you did score?
For the Vauxhall one, I remember I had 18.
Yeah.
For the Stats one, I remember I had 22, if not 24.
Oh, I get triple doubles, man. With some rebounds and some steals and so. Okay, you're bad for this ball thing. I'm telling you how I meet Shani now. Is that my court where we play. And when me reach at the court, me say, you zip. You zip your coach. I give your coach 60 zip. So I was like, no, I'm off for interview you, man. So, for real, yeah, you're bad for it, man. So you think you'll take it to the college level after this?
Yeah, recently I had a coach speak to me about the UCC. They're trying to get the females to play basketball there. Yeah. So he was saying that maybe it can help me with a scholarship or so. So we'll see how far that goes.
Right. And how your parents feel about you playing basketball?
Well, my mother, she not to understand the basketball thing, but if anything, she see me post anything or such as a fan, but Shani, you're bad man and this and I should have to understand, but
And your pops?
Rest in peace to his soul,
Okay, R.I.P. pops. Yeah, man. So mommy not come watch a game yet?
No, man, cause she her own boss, so
right,
salon thing and
so she not get the time to come.
Yeah.
Mommy have to come watch. You have to go find the time and come watch her one day.
Definitely.
Yeah. So you say your biggest influence is Curry. Right. Any female influence out of the?
Yeah. There's one Nafisa Kalia. She plays for the. What's her name again? The Lynx, Minnesota Lynx. Yeah.
You like her?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Alright, so and for other girls that are interested now in basketball, what would you say to them, or how would you encourage them?
Honestly, the basketball thing, it can be it's a very common sport. So if anything, if you feel like you want to play the sport, I will very much say yes, go take up the ball and thing, because most times when I'm having a rough day or so, the only thing whatever it turn to is basketball.
Yeah, man.
Just the dribbling and the swishing off the net, just calming.
Yeah. Cause for me, like, I will play ball 2-3 hours. I don't even realize it's 2-3 hours.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it's very nice to release stress and, you know, get rid of stress and problems and stuff like that. Yeah,